Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make your X account private on your phone. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your X account private on your phone. So the first thing you want to do is open up your X account. Once you're here, to make your X account private is very useful if you don't want anybody chatting you or maybe seeing your profile. The first thing you want to do is click on the inbox right here on the bottom right corner. After clicking on that, you will see a settings icon on the top right and click on that. After clicking on the settings icon on the top right, next thing you need to do, you will be now here. Message request from, make it from no one. And here, allow audio and calls from, make it, remove the X. After removing the X, next thing you need to do is, there you go. Just off this one, enable and calling, and there you go. That's how you make your account private in X. So guys, a little bit of tip for you guys. So if you don't want it to not make it a little bit private, make it verified user, so someone can still chat you, but verified users only. So there, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.